Please check the door lock direction. If the door was fastened in the left, yes. And so this door was fastened in the left, yeah. It was seen from the outside. And if you have no hole on the door, you can use this drilling sheet to drill this door. Yes, yeah. Put it in the door edge and drilling the holes. Yes. So, okay. Step. Okay, we insert this bolt in the up. So check this up. Drilling it on. Yes. Okay. This step, we install the keep hide. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, install the keep hide. Yeah. And then we insert this one. Yeah. We could let the keyboard through from this hole, from yes, the side rectangular hole. Yes. Okay, we fasten it. We use this longer bolt. If there's a drilling here, you could use the additional, but then no, it's okay. Check the front. Yeah. Yes. This way. Yeah. Totally faster. Oh, right. Yeah. This step, we install the door sensor. Yes. There's a double tip here. Yes. Tip. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We use a screw. Yes, this. Yeah. Okay, we install this rubber pad. Okay. Yeah. That is a cable gets through from here. This hole and this cable, this from this hole. Right. Very easy step. It's okay. So this step, you have 2 screws and the pin and the washer. So the screwdriver. Okay, they go. Yes, through the washer. Yeah. Get it in. Then first it, yeah, like this. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, finally, yes. Another one. Yeah, you see that. This one. Yeah. This one. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So this step we install the back part, insert it in, and then finally it will be okay. But before install this part, you need to check your door fasten direction and choose the toggle. If it was fastened in the left, then push it to the left. If your door was fastened in the right, push the toggle. Yes, see that L and R. Push it to the. Or push it. Yeah. Okay, but it was determined by your door fasten direction. Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay, we connect the cable. Yes, this is this one. We connected it here. Yes. Yes, faster. And this connector connected with the sensor, the door sensor. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This step. Okay. Maybe this step, you could knock down this part. Knock down. Yes. Knock down this part. Yes. We get it in. We could check a bit if it was okay. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. We fasten this back part. Yes. The hole. Yes. The hole here. Then we use this screwdriver. Screw and screwdriver. This hole. Yep. This screw chain. And use this black bolt. Yeah, here. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So during the installation, you could keep your door at open. It will be so prevent the door was automatically locked, and then you don't know how to get it open. Yes, keep the door open. Okay. Another step, we could install the door stand. You could see that. Okay. On another side. Yes. The door sensor. Just this part. Yes. Okay. Keep it was paralleled. So. Finally, you buy the battery, and then get it closed. Yes, it will be perfect. Okay. So the installation finished.